Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be painting this mandala rock. It's 6 inch in size and using two colors, that is Decor Snow Titanium White and Buttermilk. I'll be preparing a gradient, light gradient from white to buttermilk, various of 5 shades. So let's start mixing the palette. If you want to know the palette details and the basic tools that are required for dot mandala, I have a separate video of the basic tool that I have uploaded. You can find the link in my description also, and go to my channel to see where I get this paint pot, cute little paint pots, the all the stencils, the mandala rock, what I use. So all the basic details to start or begin your journey with dot mandala, all the details are there. So now let's see how I am mixing it. So I have taken all white first, with maximum white at the first pot, and then decreasing the white amount. And similarly, in from starting from the second pot, I have given little bit of buttermilk, then increasing the quantity with the last one as the highest buttermilk. So this is the actual set from lighter white, little bit buttermilk to more buttermilk. So I got a shade of 5 gradient, and this the base I have painted with buttermilk with little bit of yellow, uh, to get the more yellowish, and a slight of brown to get the base color. You can do any base color. This palette will look gorgeous in any of the base color, be it a darker or lighter. But if you are choosing a light base, then it should not be lighter than buttermilk. So little bit more from buttermilk you can go for. Yellow, orange, red, any palette, it will look very good. So I have my palettes are ready. My mandala rock has been drawn with the grid marks using the white pencil. Now let's start painting the rock. For the first time I am using 4-cut white pearl. This is little bit of thick, and when you take out your rod you will get strings of rod, so it's difficult. So I felt difficult, but it stays very nice. So it's little bit thick, so it doesn't flow out, uh, like for curvy surface I find it very nice, because I don't have to do any mix any medium or gel to it. I can directly use as it is. So now I am doing the center dot using my, I think, 12 happy dotting rod. So don't worry about how it came out. So what I do is I give the mark using my dotting rod, then gently I pour the amount to give it a plumpy center dot with more. So see how the strings are coming. So it is little bit tricky. It's not that I'm not, as I'm doing it for the first time, I need to know how to get rid of it. So be very when you are using it. If you know any method how to get rid of the string, do let me know also. But I faced this while using the 4-cut. Oh my god, do remember to have a clean water. So my green color water like made my q-tip green, and it can affect my paintings. Now I have given 1 day for my center dot to dry out. Then I am starting with my rings of dot. So if you are confident with your center dot or rings of dot, then you can very well start or give a drying time, because so that you have more option. If you do any mistake, you can erase out. So that's the way I do. I give 1 day drying time fully without touching. Overnight dry 24 hours, then I start my painting the rings of dot. Once my rings of dots are over, I'm using the bigger dot and the swoosh technique, working of dots and uh, one stylus swoosh and brush stroke. So I'm doing that bigger dot and the swoosh, leaving one stencil mark. So total we have taken so eight floral pattern will be creating. You can go for micro dotting the way I am showing, or else you can skip the part if you see your dots are very close to each other. It's also, but micro dots really look it's very tedious to do, but it gives a very geometrical centered like very intricate design. So I'm using the last one is very difficult, so I'm going for a happy dotting micro tools. So now similarly, the way I have done the first floral design, I am doing the same style way for the next one, using the grid marks, stencil grid marks. Hope you are enjoying my video. I'm learning something new. So this design is very much my favorite. I do it anywhere, so be it a coaster or a turtle or a tea light. So recently I'm working on a earthen pot, which I'm trying. So pot are also very difficult, like as the curved surface are more, and it, so it's all about dot mandala is like increasing my patience and giving a full of creativity to look into. So we are almost at the last end, so this is little bit tricky, so I'm going for the three swoosh dot and choose three the end part. So if you feel, I'm using folk art, because of which the dots are not flowing. If you see your dots are flowing down, so add a little bit of liquitex gel into it, so that it can be it will not flow. So now I'm just finishing the look. I'm using the stick-ons from the Crystal India. If you don't have this, you can go for rhinestone, or else you can highlight that with your metallic colors. So as per your like, you can go for it. Hope you enjoyed my video. Share it with your friends who would love to create this, and tag me in. I would love to see all your design. Thank you.